Hi guys, it's Nitro on us today again, and what we're doing is if your buggy will not start, these are a few simple tricks what to do. Firstly, check if the buggy will not start definitely. As you can see, check your pipes, see if they're not underneath the exhaust, blocking anything. If you aren't, that's one thing you can tick off the list. Secondly, the glow plug. Take out the glow plug and see if it's not flooded. Also, while you're at it, check that the glow plug has got an orange beam at the end of it. If that is, then you're all fine for that. If it's flooded, take a cloth, put it over the engine and pull it a few times. If it is flooded, you should see a few drops of fuel. But if it isn't, next, check the throttle response. Turn the throttle response up on your transmitter up high. But firstly, you've got to put your glow plug back in. Make sure that your glow plug is in very tight. Here's the throttle response. Turn it up halfway, roughly. Next, put your glow plug back in and it should start first time. And there you are guys. That is how to make sure that your buggy will start first time every time. See you later, bye.